One of the most important things to do in the event of fire is to call the fire service. Speak slowly and clearly. Ask for the fire service, then state your telephone number and your full address. If the fire is still in its early stages, it is often possible to extinguish it with a fire extinguisher, provided it is safe to do so, and you are confident, competent, and have been trained to use them. Check with your manager about the policy for use of extinguishers. Always sound the alarm first before locating the nearest extinguisher appropriate for the type of fire. You should become familiar with the location of fire extinguishers. These will usually be sited along exit routes and particularly near final exit doors. All extinguishers work by removing one of the elements of the fire tetrahedron. In order to have fire, we need 4 things: fuel, oxygen and heat, which is known as the fire triangle, and a 4th element, a chemical chain reaction, to create what is now known as the fire tetrahedron. Get all 4 together in the right proportion and we have fire. Keeping these elements at a safe distance from each other is the first step to preventing a fire from starting. It is important that you know which type of extinguisher to use on different types of fire and understand how to operate them. Fire regulations state that all extinguishers must be red with a coloured band that identifies their contents. They will be marked with their contents and operating instructions in simple steps. The operation of fire extinguishers is simple if you follow a few simple rules. Remember the acronym PASS. Pull out the safety pin. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the trigger. Sweep. Use a sweeping motion.